Today the topic is the summative assessment first day revision. Okay, revision part. Okay, the seventh day social science. The four lessons. Okay, summative assessment first in the four lessons. Okay, history, geography, civics, and then economics. Okay, on the four lessons. History first lesson. The source of medieval India. The second lesson, geography. The lesson number 1, interior of the earth. Interior of the earth. The third lesson, civics, equality. Civics, equality. The fourth one, the economics, the production. Okay, the four lessons. Summative assessment. The four lessons. Okay, four lessons in that today the revision part. The first lesson. Then blueprint. Okay, then blueprint. The first Roman, choose the correct answer. The first Roman, choose the correct answer. Each question 1 mark. Each question 1 mark. The 8 question in the 8 mark. Okay. Then second Roman, filling the blanks. Okay. 8 mark. Third Roman, matching 6 mark. True or false 4 mark. Circle the add one out in the 4 mark. Okay. Then answer the following in the 10. Each question in 3 mark. It is a total it is a 30 mark. Answer in detail the 4. Each question 5 mark. It is the 20 mark. Okay. The totally the marks is the 80 mark only. Okay. Then the first lesson in the source of medieval India. Source of medieval India. The first Roman choose the correct answer. First Roman choose the correct answer. Dash or the writing engraved on soiled surface such as rocks, stone, temple walls and a metal. Temple walls and a metal. The 4 answers. Okay. The correct answer you write the you selected in the correct answer. First one inscription. Okay, are you clear now? First one inscription. The second one, dash was the land gifted in temple. Land gifted in temple. Then otherwise is the again and again the 4 options. It is a choose the best correct answer. Okay, the correct answer Devadana. Okay, the correct answer Devadana. The third one, the period was known as the devotional literature. Devotional literature. The Chola period. The answer is Chola. The answer is Chola. Okay, next one, the fourth one, does provide the information about the first Sultan of Delhi. Answer is Tajul Mahmud. Tajul Mahmud. The fourth question again and again I told it. The four options, 4 or 3 options. Okay, you selected in the best, the correct answer. Okay, Tajul Mahmud. Okay, then the fifth question. The fifth question, does an Arab born Morocco scholar travelled from Morocco in India? Okay, the answer, the Morocco traveller is the Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta. Okay, the second Roman is the filling the blanks, fill-ups. Okay, then the first one, inscription provide the details about the administration in a Brahmadeya village. Brahmadeya village. The answer is Uttiramerur. Uttiramerur. Okay, second one. Das had stamped the figure goddess Lakshmi on his gold coin and had the inscribed on it. The answer is Muhammad Ghori. Who introduced the gold coin? Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori. Okay. The third one. The 3.6 grains of silver amounted to a dash. How many jittal? 3.6. 3.6 grains is a 1 jittal. Okay. The jittal. The fourth one. Dash the patronized by Sultan the Nasruddin Muhammad of slave dynasty. Slave dynasty. Mingoy is Siraj. Mingoy is Siraj. Okay. Then fifth one, an Italian traveller Das visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. 1420. The answer is Niccolo Conti. Niccolo Conti. Okay, that is the fill-ups. Okay. Then the next Match the following. Match the following. Then the second Roman is finished. The third Roman. Match it. The third Roman. Match it. Okay. The Khajuraho. The third Roman. Match the following. Match the following. The first one, Khajuraho. Khajuraho. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Directly write the answer. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. The second one, Konark. Konark, Odisha. Odisha. The third one, Dilwara. Dilwara. The answer is Dilwara. Answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Then fourth one, Virupaksha. Virupaksha. The answer is Hampi. The answer is Hampi. Directly and the write the answer. Okay. Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. Konark, Odisha. Dilwara, Rajasthan. Virupaksha, Hampi. Okay. Virupaksha, Hampi. Next one, say that true or false. Okay. The fourth Roman. Fourth Roman. True or false? True or false? The first one, Pallichandam was the land donated from Jaina institution. Answer is true. Answer is true. The second one, the composition of metal coins gives us information on the political condition of the empire. Answer is false. Answer is false. Why answer is false? The composition of metals give coins information the economic condition, the empire condition of the correct answer. The economic condition. It is answer is false. Okay. Then the high court, the copper mad palm leaf and the pepper chipper, the alternative for the recording royal orders and events in royal court. Okay, answer is true. Answer is true. Okay, the fourth one, the Domingo Pais, a Portuguese traveler, visited the Chola Empire in the 1522. Answer is false. Why answer is false? Why answer is false? It is Domingo Pais, a Portuguese traveler, visited Vijayanagar. Okay, Vijayanagar in 1522. 1522. Okay. The next Roman answering one word. Okay. The blueprint is not for the answering one word. It is the answer the following. Okay. Next one. Name the two different types of the study of history. Then for primary sources. The next one. Secondary sources. Okay. Then the list of the important of the fort and mosque. Fort and mosque. Okay. The Fat al-Islam Mosque, Mokki Masjid, Jama Masjid, the Faidpur Sikri Masjid belonging to the Charminar. Okay. It is Dargah. Okay. The important of the mosque belonging to the medieval times. Okay. Next one, it is the fort. Important the fort. The Agra Fort, Chittoor Fort, Red Fort, then Gwalior Fort. It is important of the sources of medieval India. It is important of the fort. Then the medieval, the important the foreign traveler and Indian travelers. Okay, India during the medieval times. Okay, the Marco Polo, yeah, Vedic traveler, Alberni, Ibn Battuta, Niccolo Gandhi, Abdul Razzaq in the Domingo Pais. It is important for the Italian traveler. Then the next one, Answer in detail only one questions, okay? The first lesson only the one questions, okay? Describe the different types of coins introduced by the ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate, okay? It is how many the place, value, it is introduced the coins, okay? Gold coin, copper coin, silver coin, metal coin, it is the introduced the coins, okay? Then after in the Muhammad of Ghori, they introduced the Muhammad of Ghori, Muhammad of Ghazni, then the next one it is otherwise they introduced the coins. First of all in the king introduced the coins, okay? The copper jital, the available study of the period in the Delhi Sultanate, okay? The silver tanka introduced by the Iltutmish, okay? Silver coins introduced by the Iltutmish, okay? Then otherwise in the describe any the 5 point you write any 5 points in the detailed questions, okay? Are you clear now? Then after in the answer grid, it is the one word answer. So you selected in the take the one word answers, okay? You read the answer grid, okay? The next lesson it is the interior of the earth, okay? Geography lesson. The geography lesson number 1, interior of the earth. Interior of the earth, okay? The first one, choose the correct answer. Okay, choose it. The first one, the first question, the knife made up of, the knife made up of. The 4 answers you selected again and I told it. The first selected in the one answer. Okay, it is the correct answer. Nickel and fuses. Okay. The next one, the answer is nickel and fuses. Okay, the second question. Earthquake and the volcanic eruption occur near the edge of the mountains. Second one, answer is mountains. Okay, the third one, the magnitude of an earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Richter scale. The fourth one, the narrow the pipe through which the magma flow out is called dash. Okay, it is the answer is vent. Answer is vent. Okay, the fifth one, lava cones are dash. Lava cones are dash. Mountains of accumulation. Mountains and mountains of accumulation. Accumulation. Okay. Then sixth one. The top of the cone of the volcanic mountain has a depression known as the dash. Okay, sixth one answer is crater. Crater. Okay, the seventh one, dash belt known as the ring of fire. Ring of fire. Okay, Pacific. Answer is Pacific. Answer is Pacific. Okay. Then second Roman, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. The second Roman, fill-ups. The first one, the core is separated from the made up of the boundary is called a white-shot wooden bar. Okay, white-shot wooden bar. White-shot wooden bar, discontinuity. continuity. Okay, the second one. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. 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 The third one, magma rises of the surface and spread over in the waste area is known as the fissure eruption. The fissure eruption. The fissure eruptions. Okay. The fourth one, an example of active volcano. An example of active volcano. Okay. It is a St. Helens, USA. ST means St. Helens. St. Helens, USA. Okay. The fifth one, seismology is called study of dance. The seismology is called the earthquake. Okay, earthquake. Okay. Then the next Roman. Then the Phillips recall the core is separated from the mantle by boundaries is called the Weishardt-Gutenberg discontinuity. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as the seismograph. Okay. Magma rise to the surface of the spread over the vast area known as the fissure eruption. An example for the active volcanoes is a St. Helens, USA. Then seismology is called study of the earthquake. Okay, are you clear now? The next moment is the circle the add one out. Circle the third Roman. Circle the add one out. Okay. Then first one, crusted. Then magma, core, mantle. Then second one, focus, epicenter. Epicenter, then vented, seismic waves. Okay. Then the third one, Samoli, Gaina. Then circle the add one out. It is the first one. It is a different word. You write. You circle the word. Okay. It is the first one, magma. The second one, vente. Then the krakata. Then the silica. Then Fujiyama. Okay. It is the different word is the circle the add one out. Okay. It is a different word. You circle the different word. Okay. Are you clear now? Then the next one. It is the match the following. The fourth Roman. Roman match it. Okay. Then the earthquake the directly and the answers. Okay. The earthquake sudden movement. Okay. Silica and magnesium. Pacific ring of fire, the world volcanoes, okay. Tsunami, Japanese term, Mount Kenya, Africa, okay. It is the match it, okay. Then the next one, it is the answer in one word, answer in a word, okay. Answer in a word. Then the next one, answer the following. What is mantle? Then what is mantle? Write note on a core and the earth. Then define the earthquake. Earthquake means it is a sudden movement of a portion of the earth crust which is the produced of the shaking or trembling. Shaking or trembling, it is known as the earthquake. Okay, what is the seismograph? Okay, the earthquake waves the recorded by an instrument known as the seismograph. Okay, what is volcanoes? Then the next question, name the types of the volcanoes the based on the shape. Based on the shape. Okay, the shield volcanoes, cylinder cone volcanoes, and a composite volcanoes. Okay, composite volcanoes, it is distinguished between it is the Sial and Shima, then the shield and the composite volcanoes, then the active and the dormant volcanoes. Okay, then answer in detail, write about the effect of the earthquake. Okay, earthquake. And the next the describe the classification of volcanoes based on the eruptions. Okay, name the major zone of volcanic activity and they explain any one. Okay, then the next lesson, equality. Okay, the civics lesson. Okay, the civics lesson number 1, equality. Okay, the first Roman, choose the correct answer. First Roman, choose the correct answer. Which one of the following does not come under equality? Under equality, the 4 options you selected the best answers. Okay, the correct answer, the showing inequality, showing inequality between rich and poor. Rich and poor. Okay, the second question, which is the one of the following, it comes under the political equality. Political equality. The correct answer, option A, right. Right in petition of government and criticize public policy. The correct answer, the second, right to the petition of the government and criticize the public policy. Okay, the third one, in India, right to vote is given to all the citizens at the age of, the answer is the third one, 18. The answer is 18. Okay, then inequality, the created by man and his basic of caste, color, money, religion, etc. is called as dash, man-made inequality. The fourth one, man-made inequality. Okay, the fifth one, in Switzerland, the right to vote is given the woman in the year 1971. In the 1971. Okay, the next woman, filling the blanks, fill ups. The next woman, fill ups. Okay, civil equality implies equality of all before, answer is law. Answer is law. The second one, the Indian Constitution deals about the right to equality from article dash and dash 14 to 18. 14 to 18. Okay. The third one, right to the contest in the election is a dash right. Political. Right. Okay, the fourth one, equality means the absence of dash privilege, social privilege. Fourth one, social privilege. Okay, then the next one, the given short answer. It is a 3-mark question. Then what is equality? What is gender? Why is gender equality needed? Then what is civil equality? What is civil equality? Civil equality is the enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens without any discrimination of the superior or inferior, the rich or poor, caste or creed. Okay, answer in detail. Write about the importance of equality. Then the next question, what is the political equality? Then how does the constitution of India the protect the India the rights of equality. Okay, it is a detailed question. Then the next lesson, the fourth lesson, the economics, the first lesson, production. Okay, the first woman choose the correct answer. Production refers to, the answer is the four answer the selected in the correct answers. Okay, then the creation of utilities. Okay, the second one, utilities are in the nature of. Okay, the form utility, time utility, place utility. These are the three options. Okay, the correct then the correct option D, all of these. Okay, the third one, dash is carried out by extractive industries. Okay, then primary production. Answer is primary production. The fourth one, the primary factors are land and labor. Then fifth one, the entrepreneur is also called a organizer. Okay, the organizer. Then second Roman filler. The first one, dash means want satisfying power of product, utility. The answer is utility. Then the second one, the derived factors are dash and dash. Answer is capital and organization. Capital and organization. Okay, the next one, the third one, dash is fixed in supply, land. Fourth one, dash is the human input into the production process, labor. Answer is labor. The fifth one, dash is the man-made physical goods used to produce the other goods of service and service. Answer is capital. The next one, match the following. The primary production is a fishing and mining. Time utility, it is the stored for future. Wealth of nation, it is Adam Smith. The third one, wealth of nation, Adam Smith. Fourth one, human capital, education and health. Education and health is the human capital. Innovator, then the innovator is the entrepreneur. Then the next Roman, it is the answer the following. What is production? Production is the process of combining the various material inputs in the immaterial input in order to make the something for the consumption. It is a consumption means it is the output. Okay, the next one, what is utility? Utility means the power of satisfying of the product. Name the types of utility: time utility, place utility and form utility. It is the name the types of utility. Then the names of type of the production. Type of the production. The primary production, secondary production, and the territory or service productions. Okay. What are the factors of production? What are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital, and the organization. Okay. It is the factors of production. The defined labor, the defined divisions of labor, right the forms of capital, who is the changing in the agent of the society. Okay, it is right the characters of the entrepreneur. It is the short answer. It is the short answer. Give the brief of the examples. Okay, they explain the types of production. Okay, what is land? What is land for? What are the characters of the land? Then explain the merits and the demerits. Merits and the demerits. Okay. The merits, the divisions of labor. Merits of the divisions of labor. Okay. The improves the efficiency of labor. The repeaters doing the same task. Same task. The second part, the facilities, the use of machinery in the production, the resulting in innovation. Okay, the next step, the time of material output, the best of most efficient use. Efficient use. It is a merits and demerits. The demerits of divisions of labor. Divisions of labor. The repetition of the work. It is the task of mass the labor. The fields of divisions of labor. Okay. The repetition of the same task mass labor. To feel that the work of the monotonous and state it kills the humanity in him. Okay, narrows the specialization, reduce the possibility of labor to find the alternative, the avenues of employment. Okay, this result also increase the unemployment, reduce the growth of the handicraft and the worker, the loss of satisfaction of having made the community, the commodity in full. Okay, it is a demerits and merits. Okay, the next question, describe the characteristics of capital. Okay, capital is a perceived factor of production. Capital is man-made. Capital is not in the indispensable factor of production. Capital has the highest mobility. Capital is the productivity. Capital the loss of overtime. Capital involves present the sacrifice to get future benefits. It is the capital of the characteristic of capital. Okay. The next question, what are the functions of entrepreneur? What are the functions of the entrepreneur? The functions are the decision making, management control, then division of income, the risk taking, the uncertainty, the bearing. It is here the full of the detailed questions. Okay, detailed questions. Okay, then the 4 lessons, the essay, the summative assessment. The essay is the 4 lessons. Okay, then the prepare well for the summative assessment. Okay, thank you students.